This is not a test. We are just about to notify you about around September 25, 2021 statement on Empire Builder derailment near Joplin, mounted approximately 4 p.m. out. Empire Builder Train 727 derailed 5 cars near Joplin, Montana. There are approximately 147 passengers and 13 crew members on board, with injuries reported. Amtrak is working with the local authorities to transport injured passengers, and safely evacuate all other passengers. Additional details will be provided as available. We now return you to regularly scheduled programming.